How to disappear and transform yourself. The ultimate guide. Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you're tired of feeling stuck and you're ready to completely transform yourself, this video is for you. We're about to dive into a powerful secret that many successful people don't talk about. The art of disappearing to transform. It's not just about hiding away, it's about becoming the best version of you. And when you reappear, the world won't even recognize you. So if you're serious about change, stay tuned until the end. You won't want to miss the powerful steps I'm about to break down. Ever wondered why some people seem to come out of nowhere and instantly crush it in life? Why they level up in ways that leave everyone else in the dust? Here's the thing. They disappeared for a while. They didn't just work hard, they worked in secret. They transformed in the shadows, and when they came back, they were unrecognizable. Want to know how to do the same? Let's break it down. How to disappear and get into the right mindset. Number 1, master the art of silence. Here's where most people fail. They talk too much. Shut your mouth. Your words reveal more than you think and can sabotage your own growth. You need to stop talking about your plans, dreams, and goals to everyone. Friends, family, colleagues, everyone. The only exception? Your life partner, if they are truly rooting for your success. And trust me, it's not going to be easy. We all have that urge to share. But in order to disappear and work on your transformation, you have to silence your own chatter. Practice controlling your mouth. Keep your life a mystery to others. Only then will you be able to move in the shadows and focus on growth. 2, stop caring about what others think. Let's face it, most people are driven by the opinions of others. But here's the secret. You can't care. The opinions of others are distractions. Only care about what you think. Ask yourself, would I be proud of what I'm doing right now? When you stop living for others and start living for yourself, that's when true growth happens. Reprogram your mind. Become obsessed with your own opinion and forget about what anyone else thinks. You are your own biggest fan, and that's all that matters. 3, keep your plans locked tight. This is where the real power lies. You've got your goals, right? Don't share them with anyone. Every time you speak about your goals, you're leaking energy and you're making it harder to accomplish them. Think of your plans like treasure, keep it locked up, and work quietly toward them. If you need advice, be selective and share only what's absolutely necessary. When you're transforming, every word you speak about it reduces your chances of success. Stay quiet, stay focused, and keep your journey a secret. What to do in the shadows. The work you don't see. Number 1. Embrace the grind now. Here's the reality. Transforming yourself in secret isn't going to be easy. In fact, it'll be physically and mentally draining. You'll hit walls, feel like quitting, and experience pain you didn't know was possible. And here's the thing. You have to embrace it. There will be moments when you feel like you can't go on, but this is the crucible that forges the new you. Those low moments, let them fuel you. Bleed, sweat, cry. Just do it in the shadows. When no one is watching, you'll develop a strength you didn't even know you had. 2, get obsessive about your goals. Your goals should consume you. Every waking moment needs to be about working toward your transformation. Whether it's building a business, getting in shape, or mastering a new skill, you need to dedicate every bit of your time to it. Create a plan and follow it meticulously. Make every action intentional. Want to build that 6-figure business? Live, breathe, and sleep it. Want to get in the best shape of your life? Make your life revolve around your fitness goals. Time box your day, track your progress, and break everything down into smaller, actionable goals. If you do this right, the transformation will feel inevitable. 3, reprogram your mindset. The hardest part of this process is that shift in mindset. You're going to have to love the grind. You won't always feel great. There will be days where you're questioning your journey, but the key is to enjoy the discomfort. This is what real transformation feels like. Once you get comfortable with discomfort, the real magic happens. As you get stronger, more capable, and more focused, you'll begin to embrace this process. You'll realize that this time spent in the shadows was the most important phase of your growth. How to reappear as a new version of yourself. So when do you reappear? Here's the thing. If you do this right, you won't want to reappear. You'll find that being in the shadows is actually a place of peace, focus, and true self-development. When you come out, you won't need the approval of others. The validation you once sought will no longer matter. The only thing that matters is your own internal growth and satisfaction. You will have become the best version of yourself, and now you're ready to take on bigger challenges. Number one, set your targets. When you start, get crystal clear on what you want to achieve. Want to be in top physical shape? Want a thriving business? Whatever it is, define it. Write it down. Keep it in front of you, but keep it a secret from everyone else. 2. Be relentless in pursuit of your goals. This is about obsession. Make everything in your life point toward your target. Spend hours every day working towards your goal. Track your progress. Reassess your plans regularly. Get ruthlessly focused on crushing your transformation. 3. Find your peace in the shadows. By the time you finish this transformation, something incredible will happen. You won't want to be the person who reappears. You will have found peace in the shadows. You'll have evolved beyond what you thought was possible, and you'll be so focused on the next goal that the idea of sharing your journey won't even appeal to you anymore. You'll be a living example of what it means to transform in secret. And that's the secret, my friends. Disappear, transform, and when you reappear, you won't even need to announce it. You'll be so far ahead of where you were that the world won't recognize the old you. If you want more transformation tips and ways to level up your life, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you plan to disappear and crush your goals. Until next time, stay quiet, stay focused, and keep crushing it.